So here we have the exact quality which you would expect from a DSLR to produce.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from DSLR Tech. In today's video I will be explaining how you can connect your DSLR cameras, especially those DSLR cameras which are missing a live viewing rotatable LCD panel. For that reason you are unable to watch yourself or see the viewing angles, especially when you record videos. In today's video we will be using a Nikon D3300 and we will be using Windows 10 and an app called Digicam Control, which gives you full access to your DSLR camera. This app is very handy, or you fit yourself perfectly fine inside that frame when you shoot. And I will take you through the basic steps where you can see how this app works, and also I will explain a little bit about the overall interface. So moving forward, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So in order to connect your DSLR with your computer, which is a Windows 10 computer, you need three things. First of all, a DSLR. Second thing is a USB connection cable, which normally comes with your DSLR camera. And the third thing is a Digicam Control software, which you can download from this website. And once we are set with that, we will leave it here, and after that we will connect the cable.
You will be landing on this page, Digicam Control, and you can click on the download section and it will start downloading straight away. So the software is finally installed. We will open the software, and as soon as we open the software, the beautifully designed boot animation is there, showing that the camera is in focus. And now we are going to connect the camera, and then we will turn on the camera. So as you can see guys, that all these options are now visible on this page. We have used this software recently, so you will see all these videos and pictures in the gallery area. First thing you need to do is to look for the session area on the screen. Basically change the destination folder so you can easily find and locate your files. On this left section, as you can see that the camera model is there, D3300, and the serial number there. And then this is like an ISO setting, a couple of other bits and pieces. On the top we have these tabs where file shows like the file size and other settings, viewing angles. You can set up horizontal or vertical if you have like an external tripod attached to your computer, or recording. Layouts are there, landscape, portrait, grid, thumbnail size, and then windows, live view. You can pick and choose from here, or you can pick and choose from here. It's the same thing. And then you have different options in this area. This one is basically to take a picture. If you click on this, picture has taken, and as you can see that the picture has appeared on the screen. The quality is great. There's no compromise on the quality. This one is basically to download the third mark basically is to download your pictures and videos. Bracketing is there, and then you have full screen option and browse sessions. So we will click on the live view. As soon as we click on the live view will start, and your camera will basically display on your monitor screen. From here you have different tabs, exactly the same sort of information you will see on your DSLR's menu. Zoom in, zoom out, and then this one is for capturing the window size. Then we have grid line, then we have aperture and zoom section area, and here we have control, bits and pieces. You can change the focus mode, exposure settings. This slant actually, and we want to do an autofocus on this one. If you click on the autofocus, the camera will try to focus on the right image. You can go through the manual zoom as well, that's entirely up to you, and then click on the autofocus. So here we have the exact quality which you would expect from a DSLR to produce. And capture means it will capture the image, and record means it will record the image. If you have flash open, obviously the flash will turn on itself, but I have disabled the flash. So here we have record video. When you hit this button, the recording video will start. As you can see on this section, actually this is a time frame which shows that this much minutes are left. Guys, this interface is very simple, and you can use this for different applications, for example Zoom meetings or Skype, or any other apps which you would like to use on your Windows 10 PC.
So that was it for today's video, guys, about how to use an external app in order to control your DSLR camera. I hope this video has helped you out in different ways. If you have any feedback or questions, please do let us know in the comment section below. Take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye-bye.